The best way to fill a punching bag will depend on how heavy and dense you want it to be. A lighter punching bag will have more sway, and you won't need to hit it as hard. A heavier punching bag will be harder to move and will require stronger punches. If you're not sure which you'd prefer, start with a lighter punching bag. You can always add more filling as you get stronger. For a lighter punching bag, fill it with cut up strips of fabric or old clothes. You'll need about half a pound or 0.23 kilograms of fabric for every 1 pound or 0.45 kilograms you weigh. So if you weigh 200 pounds, 91 kilograms, you'd want about 100 pounds, 45 kilograms of fabric. Remove any buttons, zippers, other fasteners, or anything else from the clothing and fabric before you cut it up. Then unzip your punching bag and add a layer of the cut up fabric to the bottom. Pack the first layer down with something long like a baseball bat. Continue adding layers and packing them down until the entire bag is full. If you want to make a heavier punching bag, you can add sand or sawdust along with the pieces of cut up fabric. Fill large sealable plastic bags with the sand or sawdust, then wrap the bags with duct tape so they don't rip. As you're filling your punching bag, drop the bags of sand or sawdust into the center so they're surrounded by clothes. Try to space them out evenly up and down the length of the bag. You may not need to add a bag to every layer, depending on how heavy you want your punching bag to be. When you're finished filling the bag, just zip it closed and it's ready to go.